this is event 109, Heat 2. Name 0. Elizabeth Performance Swim Team with Sandra Alcala, Andre Alcala, Kobe Rivera, and Miguel Cinco. Lane 1, Sharknado Swim Team with Juancho Batal, Mark Naldares, Alexander Garcia, and Mark Joseph Bamo. Lane 2, ARST with Michael Romero, Juan Navarrete, Dasquiel Bautista, and Kurt Cruz. Lane 3, IEAST with Miguel Maliwat, Calix Poleche, Maurice Ilustre, and Gezer Ramos. Lane 4, SRST with Theodore Peng, Jose Jesu III, Pablo Alegre, and Calero Pilope. Lane 5, Black Dragon Swim Club with Matt Aaron Ellison, Loren Supaman, Leonard Claveria, and Elis Herrera. Lane 6, Xavier School Swim Team with Lark Nesco, Marcus Lugasi, Arnold II, and Brendan Season. Lane 7, World Swim Team with Prince Navarrete, Andrew Alfonso, Genesis Scott, and Ivan Alfonso. Lane 8, Swim Team with Raymond